Hi, this is Nathan Bowman, Shade Automation Specialist for Draper Incorporated. Today I'm going to show you how to go about setting your shade limits with an Intelliflex I/O wall switch. Please note it is recommended that the shade limits be set using the motor limit tool. However, they can also be set by the wall switch using the following procedure. To begin, you'll want to locate your programming tool that's included in the packaging with your switch. Step 1, enter programming mode by holding the program button for 5 seconds. The green LED will begin to flash. Step 2, press the fully open icon for a shade zone and hold for 7 seconds. The green LED will stop flashing, but the blue LED will remain on. One shade will begin to identify. Tap the skip button to move on to a different shade if necessary until the shade to be set is identifying. Position the shade at the desired limit position by tapping the fully open or fully closed icons to jog the shade, or swipe control area to move the shade until the control area is tapped. Hold the fully open icon for 5 seconds to set upper limit to the current position. The shade will jog to indicate the limit has been set. So now I need to set my bottom limit. So I can tap it and it's going to move in small increments, or I swipe the control area and let it run down until it gets near the bottom, at which time I'll have to manually stop it by tapping the control area again. That's where I want my bottom limit. I'm going to hold the fully closed icon for 5 seconds to set the lower limit. Again, the shade will jog to indicate that the limit has been set. Now if you want to test the limits from here, simply swipe up or down and the shade will stop at the limit you just set. If you need to set the limits on additional shades, simply tap the skip button to move on to the next shade in the list. If you're finished setting limits on the shades, hold the program button for 5 seconds till the LEDs go off to exit programming mode. If you have any further questions regarding the programming of an Intelliflex I/O wall switch, please reach out to Draper Tech Support at 1-800-238-7999.